You've tried everything. Morning routines, motivational videos, productivity apps, accountability partners. And yet, here you are again. Scrolling through your phone when you should be working. Skipping the gym when you promised yourself you wouldn't. Watching your goals slip further away while your brain whispers the same old excuses. But here's what nobody tells you. You don't lack discipline. Your brain is actively fighting against you, and until you understand why, you'll keep losing this battle. Most people think discipline is a personality trait, something you either have or don't have, a moral virtue that separates the strong from the weak. This belief is not just wrong, it's destroying your potential. Carl Jung understood something profound about human behavior. The conscious mind, the part of you that sets goals and makes promises, is not in control. Beneath it lies the unconscious, a vast, powerful force that operates by its own rules. And when your conscious goals conflict with your unconscious programming, guess which one wins? Every single time, the unconscious wins. Truth, your brain was not designed for discipline. It was designed for survival. For millions of years, our ancestors lived in environments where conserving energy meant staying alive. The brain evolved to seek immediate rewards and avoid unnecessary effort. This is not a bug, it's a feature. When you try to force yourself to do something difficult, your brain interprets this as a threat. The amygdala, your brain's alarm system, lights up. Cortisol floods your system. Your body physically resists. This is why willpower feels like pushing a boulder uphill. Because neurologically, that's exactly what's happening. The discipline gurus tell you to push harder, to be tougher, but they're asking you to fight millions of years of evolution with nothing but conscious effort. It's like trying to stop a river with your bare hands. Here's where it gets worse. Modern society has hijacked your brain's reward system. Every notification, every scroll, every instant gratification creates a dopamine spike. Your brain learns that effort equals reward should come instantly. So when you sit down to work on something meaningful, something that requires sustained effort with delayed gratification, your brain revolts. Where's the dopamine? Where's the instant reward? The discomfort you feel isn't laziness, it's dopamine withdrawal. And this is the trap most people never escape. They try to discipline themselves while living in an environment specifically designed to destroy discipline. It's like trying to stay sober while living in a bar. Jung discovered something that modern neuroscience is only now confirming. Lasting change doesn't come from behavior modification. It comes from identity transformation. You don't need to force yourself to be disciplined. You need to become the kind of person for whom disciplined action is natural. This is not semantics. This is fundamental. When discipline is something you do, it requires constant effort. When discipline is something you are, it becomes automatic. The difference is everything. Think about someone who identifies as a runner. They don't need motivation to run. Running is what they do. It's part of their identity. The same applies to any behavior. Change the identity and the behavior follows naturally. So how do you rewire your brain? Not through force, through architecture. You don't fight the unconscious. You reprogram it. Here's how. First, make the desired behavior the path of least resistance. If you want to work out in the morning, sleep in your gym clothes. Put your shoes by the bed. Remove every obstacle between intention and action. Your brain will follow the easiest path. Make sure that path leads where you want to go. Second, create immediate rewards for long-term behaviors. Your brain needs dopamine now, not later. So give it some. After every focused work session, do something pleasurable. Train your brain to associate effort with reward. Over time, the effort itself becomes rewarding. Third, use environmental cues. Your brain operates on triggers. When you see your phone, you scroll. When you sit on the couch, you watch TV. These are automated responses. Create new triggers for new behaviors. Specific place, specific time, specific action. Repeat until automatic. But here's what Jung knew that most productivity experts miss. Sometimes your lack of discipline isn't about brain chemistry or environmental design. Sometimes it's your unconscious protecting you from something you're not ready to face. Maybe that business you won't start represents a fear of success. Maybe that workout routine you can't maintain is actually about not wanting to be seen. Maybe that book you won't write carries truths you're afraid to speak. Your resistance might not be the enemy. It might be a messenger. Before you force yourself to be disciplined, ask yourself this: what am I really avoiding? What is my resistance trying to protect me from? Sometimes the path forward isn't through discipline at all. It's through honest self-examination. Real discipline, the kind that lasts, comes from integration. Conscious and unconscious working together. Logic and emotion aligned. What you want to do and what you actually do becoming the same thing. This doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small, consistent actions that prove to your unconscious that change is safe. Every time you follow through on a small commitment, you build trust with yourself. Every time you honor a promise to yourself, you strengthen your internal integrity. And slowly, almost imperceptibly, something shifts. The internal resistance fades. The effort required decreases. What once felt impossible becomes simply what you do. Not because you're more disciplined, but because you've become someone different. Your brain isn't your enemy. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. The question is, are you designing your life in a way that works with your brain or against it? Stop fighting yourself. Start architecting your environment, your identity, and your unconscious patterns. True discipline isn't about forcing yourself to do what you hate. It's about becoming someone who naturally does what matters. So here's my question for you. What's one behavior you keep failing at? And what would need to change in your environment, your identity, or your unconscious beliefs for that behavior to become effortless? Comment below. Let's figure this out together. If this resonated, subscribe. Because understanding yourself is the first step to transforming yourself, and that transformation starts now.